come with an important topic. Why choose commerce after 10th? Watch this video completely to get answer for the question. Commerce as a medium of instruction can be interpreted as a study of business and marketing activities such as the exchange of commodities and services from the manufacturer to the final customer. Top 5 important commerce stream that I would like to inform you. First one is commerce tries to satisfy increasing human wants. Number 2, commerce links manufacturers and customers. Number 3, commerce increases wealth and national income. Number 4, commerce encourages international trade. And number 5, commerce helps during emergencies. A field like commerce offers a plethora of job opportunities. Students choosing commerce as their field of study can opt for careers like business executive, accountant, HR manager, data analyst, marketing manager, investment banker, wealth manager, project manager, research and development manager. Why choose commerce after 10th? That is the main topic of today's discussion. Commerce is a popular choice among students after passing 10th standard. Commerce stream opens doors that lead to professional courses which acts like foundations. For example, consider BCom or Bachelor of Commerce course. This 3 years long undergraduate degree program is like foundation course. After completing it, one may choose from a wide variety of PG professional courses and specialize in many other fields or area. This will help you to get more information that why choose commerce after 10th. Students studying under commerce stream have a thoughtful outlook on outside world. This career has lots of difficult challenges and practical facts added to it. Most students opt for commerce because they want to take the next step in business and follow the strategies to become successful. The most respectable career option in this stream are chartered accountant and MBA position holders. Commerce is soon becoming a new way of modern life and setting a new direction for students to lead their life in the best possible way. Students wishing to choose commerce stream need to get themselves more acquainted with the subject like economics, accountancy, finance, business mathematics, bookkeeping, etc. and also develop an interest in them. In fact, commerce as a career choice is fast gaining importance in India. Students need to step up and start to choose commerce after 10th. Subject in commerce after 10th: English, mathematics, accountancy, business studies, economics. These are the main subjects in commerce. Professional courses after 12th if you choose commerce. Commerce as a stream of education can be defined as a study of trade and business activities such as exchange of goods and services from producer to final consumer. The main subjects that are taught in the commerce stream in class 11 and 12 include economics, accountancy and business studies. Choose this field if you have a genuine interest in this subject and have a affinity for numbers, the economy and business. BCom, Chartered Accountancy, Bachelor's course in Economics, Companies Secretaryship course, BA courses, BFA courses. These are the main courses after 12th one who is selecting commerce in your plus one. Students wishing to choose commerce stream should understand that this subject is not the easiest alternative as compared to science. Even though both science and commerce are complex study areas in their own ways, they cannot be compared with each other. Therefore, if a student wishes to pursue the choice of making a career in commerce stream only because they feel that science is not a suitable stream for them, they need to rethink their priorities and their choice. Students choose commerce stream only if they have an attitude as well as an avowed interest in it. Do choose commerce after 10th that you are interested. For more information, keep on watching this channel. Be inspired.